I'm 52. I'm happy right now.
Perfect. Good job.
I'm just looking for something that interests me. I'm like, I'm not really good with numbers sitting down like that. I might not want to go to one of those four-year colleges.
The New Ulm-based Big Ideas organization came to Roosevelt School to show their VR labs to students and community members.
The amount of hands-on equipment that they brought to show participants, whether they are high school students or adults, what was involved in that particular trade and what were the tools they were going to use. I think that was truly amazing. That room was just a buzz with explanations and inquiry. I mean, it couldn't have been better.
There is the heavy equipment operating, so they were able to learn how to operate heavy equipment, anything from backhoe to dig a trench and those types of things. There was a industrial painting, so they were able to paint a variety of different things that way. And then welding was the third one within the Big Ideas trailer. And then they also have a VR side of things, which exposed students were able to select from 23 different trade careers.
Get kids interested in the trades, that not all of us are geared for college. I would have had a lot of debt and never got an education if I would have went to college.
I was inside with like 10 other manufacturers from the area, and then they've got this semi parked outside with simulators in it.
It's a really good learning tool to help up-and-coming kids see what it's like to weld, paint, use machinery like this is over there.
In Owatonna, Jack Ryder, OHS Magnet.